Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box with the Technical Trader. It's Tuesday, the 26th of October. These are the charts of the day. Still a lot of bullish charts out there and some new ones emerging. Here's one, Alvarian, ALVR, Israeli Telecom. Formed a nice base after plunging in May. Went sideways for several months. Popped in October, formed a little bit of a wedge, and then boom, popped today for 26 cents. Almost 12% on 2.2 million. That's the second heaviest volume besides this day. Looks to me like we're going to reach up towards the 293 range short term and an intermediate term target up around 4. Up next is Air Media, AMCN, which we've highlighted a couple times in the past week or two. You can see the pop today took it out over this rising flag. Volume surged to 1.7 million, 49-cent gain of 7.28%. Looks like we're headed up towards my trading target at 8 3/4, 9. Anadygix, ANAD, is a new one we've been following. Look at this long base pattern here. See the stock popped, pulled back, and then in the last 2-3 days, excuse me, has snapped back, slightly pierced this declining tops line today with a move of 30 cents or 5%, 2.3 million. On-balance volume and money stream are surging. Looks to me like a move towards the 7.5, 8 zone may be in play. A1, AONE, popped 48 cents or almost 5% today on 4.6 million. That's the heaviest volume in a month. That took out this lateral price resistance that's held us back for a few months now. And the next target up around 11.5, maybe 12 in that zone should be forthcoming. At least it appears it will be. BSDM may have come out of the falling wedge or declining channel over the last 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Today it popped 31 cents or 8.5% on 1.1 million. That's the heaviest volume in a couple weeks. And with any luck, we're up to test the 5.5 zone on a short-term basis. Integris popped today for jumping 98 cents or 19%. That was a significant technical move. A move up towards the $7 range on a short-term basis may be doable. That's a test of the April high. That's what I'm looking for going forward with BSDM. With Integris. EXAS, Exact Sciences. In a nice rising channel here. Backed off last week, and then this week is firmed up immediately. Yesterday and again today, up another 79 cents, nearly 10%. So second heaviest volume in the last couple months, and a surge in technicals. Looks to me like we're headed for the 11-12 zone, my short-term trading target on EXAS. HSFT, HighSoft, in a nice rising channel, has been moving, again, in a steady rising 45-degree angle thereabout. Today up $1.05 on 120,000 shares. Not big volume, but moved up to test this high, and if it does take it out, I look for a move up towards the 31.5 range, my short-term trading target, at the top of the channel. Molycorp popped today for 376 or 12% on 3.4 million shares. Broke out of this little 4-day consolidation, headed up towards the top of that range, and a breakout tomorrow that takes it any higher than here could lead to something in the high 30s short-term, intermediate-term target around 45, 47. MIPS, MIPS. Monster day today, up 347 or 33% nearly. 14 million shares, the heaviest volume ever traded in the stock as far as I can see. And today that was a significant price volume surge that exploded out of the top of the channel, and maybe a sign that this stock has got some strong momentum going forward, and that we'll see a move that takes it up to my trading target around 17. Omnivision recently today added to our short swing trade ideas. Popped 212, 8.7% on 4.3 million. That's the heaviest volume in a month. More importantly, it's taken out multi-year resistance here at 25.65. This goes back to 2007. Next target at 34.5, although I'll set a trading target at 30, intermediate target at 34 3/4. That's about what it measures. Pharmathene, PIP. The Pipster broke out of the wedge today, jumping 33 cents, 8 1/4%. Volume increased to the heaviest in the last 4 sessions. And if we are breaking out of this wedge here, we're expecting a test of the highs up around the 4 3/4, 5 level. If that's taken out, look for a move up towards $6. Spreadtrum, SPRD, had an excellent day. This little mini head and shoulders reversal pattern, inverse. Broke out on Monday, followed through on Tuesday, up another 78 cents, 5.6% today. Volume increased to the heaviest level since the end of August. It looks like this is headed for my $17 trading target at the top of the channel and at lateral price support in this zone up here. And last for today is SURG. Oh, excuse me, that may not be last. We'll take a look at it again. It's not. SURG Synergistics popped last week, pulled back on Friday. Monday it was up. Tuesday it's up again, up another 10 cents, nearly 3% today. But more importantly, technical surged, and it appears that this is headed for a test of the 4.25 level on a short-term basis. XIA, XXIA, which popped Friday, up again Monday and Tuesday, up another 36 cents today. But it appears that this has momentum enough with strong volume and technical surging here that we could see this at 17 or 18 short-term. And lastly is ZIXI, ZIXI, which broke out of this trading range last week, and this week is coming on strong today, jumping 44 cents or 13% on 3.3 million. That's the heaviest volume we've seen on ZIXI going back a year and a half. So positive momentum there. A move towards the 4.5 level, maybe 4.75 is our short-term trading target. And that's it for tonight. We'll talk to you tomorrow.